So I just want to talk to you briefly about the website and on your computer screens in your stores. You're going to have a whole wall of fabrics and then the cushion options, and then you're going to have this great screen that is touch or a mouse, whatever you're comfortable with. So I'm just going to use it on my computer to show you an example of how it works. So you'll go to upholstery, or it might even just start here. I can't remember, but go to build your own custom select or studio select. Those are the two options that you guys are selling right now. I mean, you can go if somebody's interested in an accent chair or whatever, that's right here. But we're going to talk about the custom select. So just click on custom select, and then it's very self-explanatory, pretty easy. You select your arm. There's 5 different choices, so throw a sock arm on there. You can do a box border or knife edge with welt, and then you can do semi-attached or loose back pillow. You can choose then your base, so you can do skirt, wedge foot, upholstered, bun foot. Then you do your seat, so you can have a T-front or a flat front, and then our T-front cushions are laser cut around, so you're not going to have to worry about it, the wing kind of feel of the T-front. And then our seat depth, there's standard and there's large. I believe the standard is 40 inch and the large is 44 inch. But again, it's all in your catalog. So if you have any questions on that. There's also, so you select your type of sofa. So you have the grand sofa, large sofa, medium sofa, small sofa. So it's really great. You can, depending on the customer's room, you can really fit whatever size sofa they need in there. You can do a sectional as well. We can do as big a sectional or as little as you want. When you are customizing it just to show them the fabrics, though, keep in mind it's a generic sectional SKU. We don't have the ability to literally build the sectional right there that quickly and do the fabric on it. It's just a generic, just to give the customer an idea of fabric and pillows and whatnot. Then you push drape sofa. This is where it will show you the price up here. So when you make changes, if you change your cushion or whatnot, your price will change immediately, which is great. So you don't have to worry about looking up the price for every little thing that they're wanting. If they're like, I want, down cushions, boom, put it on there and it changes the price for you. Here's where your options for colors are. So body fabric, you can do whatever fabric you want. The beauty with us is that we do a 4-way match. So we match the back to the seat, to the front, all the way around. We do a really good job of stripes and some crazy patterns, so you can have a peace of mind that when your customer picks a crazy fabric that you're worried about, that we're gonna do the absolute best job possible with putting it on a sofa or a chair. So again, we can do that, stripes, then you can do your pillow, we can do an accent welt if you want. I'm just gonna kind of make it crazy. It also will show you options of what else will look good with it. So if a customer comes and says, I love this fabric, you can put it in here and it'll give you a couple other fabrics as options of that will match with it. So it's just a nice one, especially with accents. You're like, oh, okay, I didn't think about this one, but this one actually is a really nice pattern to go with this other one. And then if you're like, oh, maybe that stripe doesn't look good, let's tone it down a little bit. You can again change it. Okay, this looks a lot better, and so on. Down here is where it has the comfort. So this is where it shows the different cushion types. This is where your extra firm will come into play. So you're not going to have a cushion of extra firm, because again, it's pretty rare when you're going to sell it, but you do have the option for it. So let's just put plush comfort. It changes the price. Then it has finish. These are all the different finishes for the foot. So, you can have a real bright foot if you wanted. And then down here is the nail head trim. These are the nail head finishes. And actually, I've already talked to one of the stores about this. We're missing our black color on here, so we'll be working on that too. But anyways, these are the different colors. This nail head is a small nail head. This is actually just an option on some of the chairs. So if you see an accent chair in the catalog that you like and it's a different type of nail head, that's what this one is. So just give you an idea on that too. But once you're done, you built your sofa, then you just go up to this little envelope here, and it's small, so hopefully you can see it pretty good. Push the envelope button. It'll ask email it to someone. So on subject, I always put the customer's name. So like Smith Sofa. And then I email it to myself for a couple reasons. I can then get the customer's email so that I can start that communication with them and have their email. It's an easy way to get it. And also for me to have a record of it. So I could say, okay, this was Smith Sofa, this is what they liked. And then you just put your email information in it and then send it. And it will give you this whole, everything here. So you don't have to write down the fabrics and the pricing and everything. Like this whole thing will be emailed to you. So it's really, really helpful tool for salespeople. Also, we have the tear pads. So this is if for some reason your internet went down or somebody else is using the computer. You can always use these tear pads. They're really helpful. Just get a pen and you can go with the customer and say, okay, what kind of arm do you like? This is for the Studio Select, which is a smaller scaled version of the Custom Select. You guys have them both on your floor. So circle, okay, I want the sock arm, I want the knife edge, so you just circle them. And it kind of walks you through T-front cushion, whatnot. On the back of these tear pads is the dimensions to help you with a sectional. And then, of course, the sofas are an estimated dimension based on the arm. But again, in your catalog, it will show you, okay, if you have a sock arm, it's this dimension for this sofa kind of idea to help you as well. So don't worry about that. But this gives you kind of an idea of the dimensions too. Other than that, if you have any questions, give me a call or an email. I'd love to help, and I'm excited to help you guys sell a lot of Kincaid furniture. I think you guys are going to do awesome with it, and I think everybody's going to be so tired of their old furniture when this is over with that they're all going to be running into your doors. So in the meantime, stay safe and sane through this crazy time.